Hey guys, welcome to your next video. This video will be just a little quick video to show how you can push our changes or our branch changes to our remote repository. So in order to do this, we need to do the git push -u origin, which is our remote repository's name, and we need to give the name of their branch, which is calc divide. Now, we have pushed this branch onto our remote repository now. So, what we need to do if we run this git branch -a command, like we did before, it's going to list out all the branches that we have. So we have the calc divide and our master branch in our local directory, where we have the master branch in our remote directory, but we also have this calc divide branch that we just pushed right now. If you go ahead and take a look at and refresh your GitHub, we can see that we have options to change our branch from master to the calc divide branch. And on our calc divide branch, we have the same thing, and we have the divide function which we modified. But if we go back to our master branch and check out this code, you can see that the divide function has not been modified because we have only modified it on that second branch which we created. Just a quick review: to merge or to push a branch to a remote repository, we use the command git push -u and then the name of the master branch, which in our case was origin, and then the name of the remote branch, which in our case is calc divide. Thank you guys for watching.